Hello everyone, welcome back to another Josh Burke review video. Today I just wanted to talk about the Miatone Qbox speaker. Right now you're watching the unboxing, and I hope you don't find my voice that distracting. But I just wanted to give a little, overview thoughts since I finished the recording, and now I'd just like to, overall say what I think about the speaker while you guys are watching the unboxing. Well, first of all, the speaker has a very luxurious feel to it. As I've noticed with all Miatone speakers, I mean, it just feels nice. It feels like it's worth the money, it feels valuable, and it feels good. This speaker does have a little hook made out of some rope that's very nice that you can, put on something to hold your speaker, loop it on your backpack or anything. But something that I would just like to state is that this speaker I do not believe is meant for the outdoors. That's where your other speaker can come in, the Miatone boombox, with its more, rugged feel, and it's a taller. It has subwoofers on both sides, so you can, stand it up on whatever. But the speaker is a bit different, It's meant to stand on one side. It's meant to be particular. It has a 360 sound, but it's not full up and down sound compared to the other speaker. But this speaker also links to other speakers of the same, so that you can play music from both of them at the same time. But I mean, this speaker just has a very luxurious feel to it. And I think the sound quality is very, very good at the speaker. Miatone's sound quality is just amazing. I will never not say this, but Miatone's sound quality, I think, rivals the best. And I'm talking about JBL, other ones out there. But something else I'd just like to state is that the sound quality is really good. The battery life is really good. Just everything about the speaker is really good. The one thing I would say is that, once again, I said it, I would not use this speaker outdoors. I would use this as an indoor speaker, and the other one you can use for outdoors. But overall, I think this is a great speaker, and if you do decide to purchase, I think that you're making a really excellent decision.
What's up, guys? This here is the Miatone Qbox wireless waterproof speaker. This here bad boy came right from Miatone headquarters. It's a really nice speaker. I just want to show you a couple cool things. Number one, power button on the back of the speaker. Right below the power button, we got the little holes for you to put stuff in. We got an aux cord, an aux hole, and then we got a USB-C hole to, to plug in the speaker and get all this juices going. Then we got a play button, which can be used for multiple things, such as the call functions, we got volume up, volume down. Then we got the TWS function. Fortunately, I cannot use that feature because I need two speakers. If you don't know what it does, it kind of makes the speakers connect to each other. Anyways, let's start by turning this bad boy on. We're gonna press and hold that power button. Hear that lovely sound go on, and then we're gonna hear a ding. That means it is connected. Now we're gonna get into the speaker, but right now, just like to show you the exterior of the speaker. It's very smooth, rugged, kind of mesh detail, meant to protect the speaker and cover it from any drops or falling that happen. But it's also used to stop the water from getting the speaker. Up here we got a big subwoofer with the beautiful Miatone logo on it. Then we got a little thing to hold it in case you ever drop it or play football with it. Highly recommend. Anyways, then on the bottom we got 4 little tiny specs that'll hold it to make sure it doesn't move. When if you want to put it down somewhere, it doesn't really move, Then we got the 4 buttons on the front. Green light means it's connected to Bluetooth, and this little light will light up when it's charging. So yeah, let's just play some music to get y'all into this. Excuse me, ma'am, play some music, please. I think your love will be too much, or you'll be left in the dust, unless I step higher. You're the sunflower, you're the sunflower. Every time I'm leaving on you, you don't make it easy. Okay, that's good. Wish I could be there for So today, let's just pause it with this magnificent button. Today, we will actually be doing the range and Bluetooth range test, volume test, you know, all those beautiful kind of things. So right now, I am going to walk and keep walking. We're gonna see how long it takes for you to not hear the music anymore. You know, I mean, hopefully the speaker's loud, so you're gonna hear it for at least 100 yards, but we'll see. Cue the music.
Feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Be a better day despite the challenge. You got it, believe it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stay, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you'll everyone down sometimes. But you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
They went. No, I was like. Go.
Aye. Whoa. See? Sorry guys, got a bit distracted. Anyways, just like a part 2 of the last video, where we almost got run over by a car. By the way, it's a very fun experience, but do not do it at home. Anyways, I would say that this speaker has a range of about 150 yards, and then past that, the Bluetooth kind of cuts out, so you can't really tell how far you can hear the music away from. You know, because, I mean, we could hear it from like about 150 yards away, but after that, it kind of just like cut out, so you couldn't hear the music anymore, but that's because the Bluetooth on this is not as strong as we would like. But I mean, overall, it's pretty far, pretty good Bluetooth range, pretty good sound range, so very good job, Miatone, on this one.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we are going to do a subwoofer test, also known as a bass test. Here we have a video from Quality. Extreme bass test warning, might blow speaker. We will be testing that with the speaker, and we will see the bass, or the subwoofer, explode. As you can see, the speaker really does have a great bass, great sound quality. You know, for a speaker that's like this, about around $40 to $50, it's really good. I mean, you hear the bass, you hear the music intensity.
Chromebooks are seriously easy to set up, right?
It's phenomenal.
Anyways, guys, this speaker also has an aux function. What this basically is that you plug in this little aux cord that comes with the speaker, which is great. Good job, Miatone. You're gonna plug it in the little hole back here. You have to remove the flap, and then you're gonna go plug it in the hole. You're gonna hear a little beep as it connects to your phone through the aux. Wonderful. Now we're just gonna play some music, you know, just just show that the aux actually works.
We always talked about, 'cause you were so excited for me to finally drive up to your house. But today I drove through the suburbs crying 'cause you weren't around. And you're probably with that blonde girl who always made me doubt. She's so much older than me. She's everything I'm insecure about. Yet today I drove through the suburbs, 'cause how could I ever love someone else? And I know we weren't perfect, but I've never felt.
Wow, that's actually really cool. Highly recommend when you're really deep into the music and you're in a love song, tragic love song. You can hold the speaker right next to your head and you really feel the music absorb you. Hey guys, today I will be showing you the call function of the speaker. And to do that, basically, you press the play button to answer a call, press the play button to decline a call, press the volume buttons to change between the speaker and the phone. Right now we're going to be calling someone that has been featured in our last 2 videos. We're going to see how they're doing. If you may remember, this person has a very strong personality. Let's just see how they're doing today.
Hello?
Hey!
Is this Josh?
Yo, how you doing?
I'm good. What's up? I'm at rehearsal.
Oh, how's it going?
Okay,
Yo,
I'm gonna go.
no, you can't, please.
So what? Why did you call me? What's wrong? Why are you calling from your phone?
No,
Why are you calling from Duarte?
I'm crying.
Why are you crying?
Because it was your dad.
Okay.
Please just don't go.
Josh, what is going on?
I couldn't deal with her anymore. We're going to go test this speaker and the waterproofness. Alright. Just so you know, says waterproof on the box, so we're gonna see if it really is.
I hope you still remember what I look like. I haven't seen you in a minute. Last night, I had the kind of dream that you just don't want to wake up from. And that's because you were in it. So this morning when I woke up, it felt more like a nightmare. Because I rolled over and I thought that you'd be right there. But no, I'm just laying here alone on my own, wishing I was on a.
As we saw, I poured water completely over the speaker.
I promise when I touch down,
And
like I never left singing.
let's just make sure it all works. Press the button. Works. We'll get back to you in about 5-10 minutes, see if it's still working, but so far it works.